Today, we're diving into the world of graphics cards with the Gigabyte GC Maple Ridge 1.0. With its sleek black design and durable construction, this GPU means business. Gigabyte has always been a reputable brand in the tech industry, and this model lives up to the legacy. Let's talk compatibility. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a professional needing top-notch graphics performance for work, this card has you covered. It's compatible with personal computers and offers a range of interfaces including PCI and PCI Express, ensuring flexibility and ease of use across various setups. Now, let's talk about what really matters: performance. With a memory clock speed of 1333 MHz, this card delivers impressive speed and efficiency, allowing for smooth gaming experiences, crisp video rendering, and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming in 4K or editing high-resolution videos, the Gigabyte GC Maple Ridge 1.0 handles it all with finesse. Installation is a breeze thanks to Gigabyte's user-friendly design and clear instructions. Plus, its durable build ensures longevity and reliability, giving you peace of mind knowing your investment is built to last. In conclusion, the Gigabyte GC Maple Ridge 1.0 is a powerhouse of a graphics card that ticks all the boxes: sleek design, robust construction, top-tier performance, and easy installation. If you're in the market for a graphics card upgrade, look no further than the GC Maple Ridge 1.0. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.